Hello friends, today we are playing the new activity in Iceland, the global travel plan. Here are the different important things. First of all, you should have these items to play this activity. Otherwise, you cannot get these coins if you have not these items. Secondly, here is the daily activity reward. If you play the activity daily, then you can get this bag. And secondly, here is the store. Here is the store. We are going in a store. We can get these items by these coins. We can get these items with these coins. Here are the different gear tokens. You can upgrade different machines with gear tokens, and you can get these different decorations. Now we are going to play this activity. Going in preparation. So here we have the different pets. You should select the pet which have lot of stamina and lot of selling ability. First of all, we are selecting the male kangaroo, 331 selling ability and 781 stamina. Secondly, kurgi, and third is hedgehog. So we are going to play. Now we are selecting these pets. First of all, we are selecting male kangaroo, secondly kurgi, and third the hedgehog. Now tape on the item, tape on ready, and then we are starting this activity. First we have got 2 extra guests. You can see we have got 2 extra guests by taping the costume. Male kangaroo is out of stamina. We can borrow the one pet 9 times. It means trade left 0. So we have completed this activity and we have got these rewards. So we can collect the daily activity reward. So we have got the coin, and now we can get these different items in store. Thanks for watching. Happy farming.